Okay, here is to day 10 of the fodder system, and I've cut it up into square bunches. There's the root mat, as you can see, and there's still some seed. I've been seeing if there's the ducks. They make a lot of noise. And these are Harvest Gold's turkeys. And then commercial white hen, she's going to be a meal. But yeah, they're very curious birds. And here is Harvest Gold turkeys eating. There's my male. They're very, very curious birds. Come on. They're picking through it and eating some, but more or less just playing with it than anything else. But I guess because they're not used to it, I don't know what to do with it except for play with it. Why are you pecking the camera? And basic setup. This one is a dog kennel that I had. Their food and water, and a little platform over there, shelter, and here's my self-blue tom and another white hen. I put her in here with him so so he wouldn't be so alone. He's very, very gentle. Here, buddy. Come on. You want it? He's not very interested in it. I guess he's got plenty of feed. But then again, he also probably doesn't know what it is, and he's more interested in getting out of the pen than anything else. Of course, these are going to be nosy. And there's a white hen right there. She's actually... He's trying to get doing his best to get out. We'll leave that. Actually, put it over there by your water bowl. Yep. That's alright. This kennel here, it wasn't a pre-made kennel, except for it's recycled. Neighbor across the street had this chain link fence and this gate over here. And I decided to make a cage out of it. Got netting over top. There's a big problem with predators around here, and hawks. And to stop the hawks from landing around and scaring the birds, that's the reason why I didn't put a gate or a pole all the way across. Kind of leave it flimsy so that when the hawk lands, he doesn't want to land there because he'll throw off his balance. Now that kennel right there, that one definitely has it can land there, but it's not much I can do about that one. And then here are These are my black Spanish crosses. I believe they are Narragansett black Spanish cross, because black Spanish aren't supposed to have any color in their feathers at all. And the female has a lot more white, and then the male, if he actually spreads out his primary feathers, you'll see that there's a lot of white on there as well. And at the bottom of his legs, they're also white. And the female's got white specks throughout her body, and so does the male. But with next year's breeding, if the genetics works out, they will. I'll be able to get some pure black Spanish out of them. But along with that, I'll also get a few other different types of breeds: bronzes, Narragansett, and then these again. I don't want these. I want the more purebreds. But I haven't named these. So if y'all can think of a name to name them, feel free to shoot a message. Male and female in this pen. His name is Blue. In the poultry world, this gray color is actually known as blue, or lavender. Or there's a lavender and then there's blue. He carries two copies of the slate gene, which makes him a quote-unquote lavender. And then white hen there. And then I have my big pen. This is just a pen temporary for some more birds. I have mallards, white mandarin, white call ducks, white commercial birds. There's a Narragansett hen right there. She's eating. There's a bourbon red tom right there. It just basically stopped raining the other day, and that's the reason why the white birds look so nasty. Is because rain and dirt doesn't really mix, and it's a bigger pen. See, there's a couple of my mallards over there. I threw some fodder in here as well, but they're not interested in the fodder. They're more interested in the feed right now. There's a tub for drinking and for the ducks to swim in. But yeah, there's a Narragansett hen right there. She doesn't have a name, and neither does the bourbon red. His backside is to us right there. He doesn't have a name as well. I'm not worried about the white birds' names. But if y'all have any suggestions on naming them, feel free to name them. But yeah, there's a white call duck drinking out of the water. There's a block in there. He's not standing on water. He's standing on a block. I put the block in there so when there's younger birds in there, if they get in it, they can get out. I don't know why it's not adjusting. But yeah, there's to day 8 of the fodder system. And we'll see. We'll get these birds used to it, and hopefully they will continue eating it. Thanks for watching.